And last but not least, listen consciously to what someone is saying to you. Be present while having a conversation. Given all this listening we do, you would think we'd be good at it. But in fact, most of us are not. And research says that we remember only between 25 and 50% of what we hear. This means that when you talk to your boss, colleagues or clients for 10 minutes, they pay attention to less than 5 minutes of the conversation. Turn this around and it reveals that when you are talking to someone, you aren't hearing the whole message either. So clearly, listening is a skill that we can all benefit from improving. And by becoming a better listener, you will improve your productivity as well as you'll avoid conflicts and misunderstandings. And all of these are necessary for workplace success.